In this video, I want to talk about how you can bank transfer to Trading 212. Now, this is pretty simple, guys. There are multiple ways you can do this. The first one is to simply just go to your homepage or on the mobile app if you have the app, and you will have a big deposit button. Usually it will look like a plus icon, or it will simply say funding and deposit. Click on that and you can deposit money. Now, the second way to do this is to go in here and go to your account. And in there, you'll be able to see your financial details. And in there, you can add your bank account if you want to do it through bank account. But usually when you press the deposit button, when you press on that, you'll be able to add your bank. So you can also come in here and you can, this one I mean, you can come to the invest one and find just any one that you want to buy. Click on it and then simply press buy. And once you're inside of there, it will also ask you if you don't have any money on the account to deposit some money before you can do it. So those are the ways to do this, guys. And whenever you're trying to deposit money, it will ask you for your bank account. So you can put in your bank account there, and that's how it works. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.